Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the user how to access the RuleSet information. The RuleSets are the lender-defined credit policies that govern the decisioning process for the applications. How to view rules. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. From the My Apps page, open the desired application by clicking on the application number. The application will open to the Decision Summary page. Click on the Evaluation subtab. The Rules page will open, sorted by the rule set name and type in the header. Note: the Evaluation tab may also be accessed by clicking on the Rules Score link. For this first example, the rule set name is Common, and the rule set type is Evaluations. As we scroll down, the additional rule set names and rule set types will be displayed. The color coding within the rule sets identifies the status of the rule by showing rules that passed, with no highlighting, rules that failed, highlighted in red, and rules that did not run because they do not pertain to this application, highlighted in gold. Within each rule, the user will see the rule name, which shows a description, the status, whether the rule has passed, failed, or didn't run, the score value, whether the rule has been identified as a critical rule, the actual calculated value, and, if applicable, the denial reason associated with the rule. The user may choose how many rules appear in each section by choosing from the drop-down list. How to show failed-only rules. From the Decision Evaluation page, a user may choose to only view the failed rules for quicker application evaluation. Put a check in the Show Failed Only box. Only failed rules will display, highlighted in red. To unselect, simply uncheck the box. All rules will be displayed. How to hide rules that did not run. From the Decision Evaluation page, a user may choose to hide rules that do not run because they do not pertain to this particular application. Click in the Hide Rules That Did Not Run box. All rules that did not run, which were highlighted in gold, have now been hidden. How to filter by rule set type. From the Decision Evaluation page, a user may choose to filter the rules by rule set type. Click in the Filter by Rule Set Type box. A list of filter options will be displayed. Click on the desired rule set type. A selected rule set type will be displayed. The user may choose how many rules appear within the page by choosing from the drop-down list. To display all rule sets again, simply click on the X next to the filter options that were selected. All rules will be displayed. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.